Hi, this is Joe, NE2Z, and I'm going to take you further into HASviolet. Today what I'm going to do is demonstrate the receive, transmit, and the chat programs with two setups. So first we're going to go into my first unit, which is just known as Violet. I'm going to go into the HASviolet subdirectory, to a directory, and this one I've got configured as NE2Z 50. We're going to go into the second HASviolet called Purple, go into the HASviolet directory of this one, and this one I did not set up the INI file yet, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. And this one I'm going to give it a call sign of Purple. And set up, the SIDs and the default beacon for that. What we'll do is we'll set this one up for receive, so we can go ahead and do HASviolet-rx.py, and again let me show you the help for this. And the argument you can do for this is you can actually have it just show you the raw data that's going through as received by the receiver, as well as you can actually have it tell you what the signal strength is as well. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have it do the receive and the signal strength. So we'll go ahead and set that up. I'll go back over to Violet, and let's go ahead and use the HASviolet transmit. Again, let me show you the help on that. And the help on that is, again, you specify the destination call. You should also put the SID into that for that call as well, and what message I want to send. So I'm going to go ahead and do -D. I'm going to reach out to Purple, and then just send a simple message, "Hey now." And it's just going to send that one message once. So you'll see is on the left hand side it was transmitted NE2Z 50 to Purple, "Hey now," and you'll see on the right hand side as it's received by Purple, it says, "Oh, you got something from NE2Z, it's destinated to me." It shows me the message "Hey now," and also it's showing this signal strength in the dBm, which would be a -55, which is awesome. Let me go ahead and show you the beacon. You can go ahead and do the beacon again, so as we did in a previous video. And for that I'm going to have it do a count of 5 and tell it to do it for 3 second intervals. We'll just go ahead and do that. That's going to send the beacon that's in the INI file, and if you see in the right hand side you'll see after every few seconds it's receiving from the beacon, destination beacon, and what my default message in there is VVDENE2Z-50, and it's getting a signal strength of 56. And mind you that those two violets are actually probably 2 feet away from one another for that signal strength. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel on this for it to exit gracefully. And then what we're going to do is we're going to run HASviolet-chat. Again, let me show you the help file on this real quick. Again, you can have it on the receive side do raw data, raw data as well as signal strength, or just the signal strength on as received in ASCII format. So I'm just going to go ahead and have this just be in the default, which is hey, send and receive. And I'm going to send this up for the same. And there you go. So right now, both of these are in a receiving loop. In order to send, if I wanted to send from Violet, I'd actually go over here and do a Control-Z, tell it who I'm sending to, purple, with the ID associated with it, and then what's my message? And you'll see I received the message was up on the other side. I'm back on the receive mode in Violet on the left hand side. And let me switch over to purple. Let me go send something back. I'll go NE2Z-50. My hopes and dreams. And I receive it back on the other side. And notice how you'll see a note that when you're transmitting something, it's saying this is what is actually transmitted. And if I wanted to exit out, I just do Control-C. I'll do Control-C on this side as well. So there you go. Quick demonstration: receive, transmit, and chat. Thanks again for your time and attention. I hope you enjoy HASviolet.